Okie dokie, so here it is, S&P this morning, September 16th, the end of the minor trend is here. What do we know about S&P? We know extremely well that more than likely it is extremely temporary support. More than likely S&P is heading drastically lower down, but it is extremely important level, and we know extremely well not to short into this area. So we are monitoring the response on S&P. Extremely important level. Will the buyers be powerful enough for us to take a long to the upside? That would be marvelous. That would be fantastic. But we're expecting huge, enormous fight and eventually further continuation to the downside. Because S&P daily is pointing to this level. S&P daily is pointing to 1961. And if 1961 is broken, 1948 and drastically lower down. That's S&P analysis for this morning. Hourly chart is extremely important. Oil, it's not just weekly chart that reminds you where the end of the minor trend is, because this is spectacular confirmation of the levels that we knew since June of this year on weekly. It is extremely powerful level on daily chart that I've been spelling out since August. Monitor for reversals. Combination of daily and weekly is extremely powerful, and this phenomenal rally continues. We ain't touching no oil right now. Oil is due for pullback. I expect oil to continue until 95. But this is a pullback time on oil. Our students already reporting taking very powerful trades pre-market. If you had taken a couple of trades on oil already, walk away. You are done. Have a spectacular day. And remember to play by the rules. Buyers picking up the steam on S&P is expected, reminding you, know where's the end of the minor trend, as we're witnessing this extremely powerful Fibonacci sequence playing out again. So let's make sure that buyers are powerful on S&P while we're waiting for a pullback on oil before acquiring the position. Again, the ideal buy on oil was yesterday at this levels, 91, as expected since long time ago. Buying here is way too late. We're expecting spectacular selling pressure at 94.50 area. Any buy here is pretty aggressive. Thrilled to hear that our students had opportunity to buy in this area prior to the trading room open, as knowledge is power. Love the fact that our students trading without my hand holding. Let's go